Today I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to put the Jeep Grand Cherokee into gear. This particular Jeep Grand Cherokee into gear. I'm going to show you how to put it into park, reverse, neutral, yada yada. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of this particular Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now to put into gear, what I'll do is, the vehicle's currently on right here. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake down here, okay? Foot is pressed on the brake and the vehicle's currently in park. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna look towards the center console right here. Do you see this? This is center console. Now currently the vehicle is in park. Now if I want to put it into reverse, my foot is on the brake. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this knob and I'm gonna turn it and it goes into reverse just like that. And you see that the rear view camera turns on, ready for me to reverse, okay? Just like that, okay? So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the neutral. So the neutral, my foot is still on the brake, but I'm sure you can get to the neutral without putting it on your brake by simply going from reverse to neutral or drive to neutral. I think you don't have to put your foot on the brake in order to get it from those two positions, but read your owner's manual so you know for sure. All right, so I'm right here. Now I'm gonna put it into neutral. I'm gonna take this same knob, foot on the brake, and it is in neutral. Now, if you want to put it into drive from neutral, your foot has to be on the brake, okay? So my foot is on the brake right here, and then I'm going to take this and I'm gonna put it into drive right there. And now the vehicle is in drive, okay? Ready to go. Now to turn it off, all you have to do is take the same knob and then just go boom. Okay, back into neutral, foot is still on the brake right here, put it into reverse, foot is still on the brake, and then want to go to park, put it into park. Now that is how you put it into gear, but there's also different drive modes. So I put it into drive, all this other stuff, but there's different drive modes. You have the sand and mud, you have the snow, and you also have auto, and you have sport. The auto automatically selects it for you, how to drive, or the drive mode, and then the sport is for sport. And you go through this by simply taking this right here. This is a knob right here, electronic switch. You can go from sand to mud, snow, auto, and sport. And then if you want to go back up to one of the other ones, you just take the same thing and go up there. And if you look on the instrument panel, it also shows you what you're in. All right, so right now I'm in sand, mud mode, I'm in snow, I'm in auto, and now I'm in sport, just like that. And that is how you put this Jeep Grand Cherokee into gear. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.